Okay, as stated in my last video, I was given 3.5 cases of Boost. It's 3 years old. It's outdated. So I'm gonna take those, and each one of my deep waterers, there, around my blueberry bushes over there, and the ones out front, I'm gonna put 6 of those in each one. Milk has calcium. Epsom salt has, I forgot the terminology. Anyway, these plants use basically the same thing that the human body uses. Now, like I said, I would not take that and pour it on the ground around my plants, because you invite never varmint, squirrels, possums, rats, coons. They'll be over here digging it up. I'd like to see them dig down in that thing 18 inches deep. They can't. And if a rat gets in there, he can't get out. So I just put a top on the extra compost. Now, I can hear my people now. Oh look, no till. He's going to weed it. He's going to put Roundup on that. No, I won't. I will not. I will come in here with my weed eater, and I'll beat all that down, pile it back to the top with compost leaves and stuff, and let it alone. If I need to plant something, it's ready. If I don't need to plant it, leave it to next year. It'll be ready. Even inside my containers. Look at that. Compost. And if I see a little weed growing, hey, it's no biggie. Just reach down there and do that and throw it right back. People, you don't have to. If you prep your garden correctly, you do not have to pull weeds or hoe or use chemicals. Compost, like I said, this has been here for a year. I hadn't touched it. Look at it. Weed eater, more compost, and you're gonna have a pretty little patch like this right here, with no grass growing and all that in it. Okay? And that's what you want. That'll be sitting right there. If I want to use it, I can. If I don't, I won't. And that's, like I said before, when I started this YouTube channel, I was worried about putting up contents that would not be repetitious. Okay? That's fine. Except, apparently, every time I go over it, or they pull up one of my old videos, there's something I invariably did not explain, whatever it happened to be. Now, like I said over there a while ago, I was pruning my blueberry bushes. I cut them and stuck them in the ground. Look at that. There was not a leaf on that when I stuck it in the ground. I'll have a nice, I don't need any more blueberry bushes, but I've got 4 there, 3 younger, and they bear like crazy. I still got a freezer full of blueberries from last year. My Japanese plum has bared beautifully for the last 3 years, and the last freeze invariably kills it. Look up on top. All that dried fruit is dead. Look at that. That tree bared unbelievably beautiful. Oh, and about pruning, you see how high it is? I don't let anything get much higher in my head. I'm not gonna climb on a ladder anymore. Hey, after it bears out, if I don't like how tall it is, I'll come in here and nip it back. And then next year, I can pick what I want without getting on the ladder and killing myself. I got enough broke bones without doing that. Anyway, here again, people, compost. Compost your plants. Even if you got raised beds like this. These are farrow. Well, this one's got ginger in it. There was nothing in that one. Me, I don't plant with a rhythm. If I find an empty spot, I stick something in it if I'm ready. If I was planting potatoes and had more than I needed, I'd come over here and plant them under the blueberry bushes. I'm not bashful. Hey, what? It's just me and Barbara. They grow. If they don't, Hadn't lost anything. Because I get them out of my worm bin off the peelings, and I plant them continuously almost year round when it's in season.